Don't know if you can hear that. So 8 weeks and 1 or 2 days. It's not coming up yet because it's too early, but that's baby's heartbeat. It's my tummy rumbling. I just ate. It's coming up with low numbers. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's baby's heartbeat. Been looking for about 15 minutes. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, guys, but try and make it louder. Hold on. That's mine. See if I can find this baby again. Where have you gone, Peanut? You're gonna come back where I can find you? See, it keeps coming up like that. Like 150, 120 when I'm like close to the baby. And I can't hear it yet. And then when I find it, it's too light and I can't. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that. Whoa, that was loud. Anyway, yeah, my 8-week update. Really tired, exhausted. I'm currently lying on the couch. Lying on the couch because mamas, when they're growing babies, can relax. Even though I have a pile of washing the size of Mount Washington, I don't care because I'm tired. My heartburn's worse than it was last week. I can't seem to stomach certain things. Like I made a pasta, which I'd normally love. I couldn't eat it last night. So yeah, I'm so tired. I just want to go to sleep. And I have to get my kids soon. So they're all back at school today. Yes. Been really tired. A little bit moody, grumpy. Getting some pimples. I haven't really felt nauseous like I was last week and the week before, but I've been feeling a little bit of nausea if I try and eat certain things I don't want, or if I think about something I don't like. Yeah, and that's about it really. My boobs are sorer than they were the last few weeks. Like my son hugged me last night and it was so sore. Even wearing a bra is painful, and like getting undressed and showering, and it's not nice. But yeah, I thought I'd post a video of the heartbeat. If you can hear it, let me know. If you can't, I'm sorry. I'll post another video when it gets bigger, and do a update in a week or two, and yeah, let you guys know how I'm feeling. I've already gained a couple kilos. Not enjoying the weight gain, but that's life. Bye guys.